Hey guys, what's up? It's Rebecca-Louise and welcome to today's workout. We are doing an arm chisel and a little bit of upper body kickboxing as well. You're gonna love it, and guys, if you have not already got our new app, oh my goodness, check out some of these extra features. We've got mindset programs, we've got meditation, and we've just got so many things that you get to do inside the app as well. So go download it, check it out, and let's get started with today's workout. All right, let's get our time on the clock today. Okay, very first exercise that we're gonna do elbows in and out. So hold up right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in and out. Now this first 10 minutes is gonna be no weights, and then the full version is gonna be with weights as well, okay? So the next 18 minutes after the first 10 minutes is gonna be weights. Okay, so bring it out and in, and obviously that is all available on the app. Oh my goodness, guys, have you already updated your app? We have so many new features. You can now book the time that you want to do the workout, right? So you can say to one of the people in the burn community, let's do this workout together. Incredible, okay? And you can also choose from multiple different workouts that you want to do per day, and you're going to be able to challenge friends, and there's mindset section as well in the app. Absolutely incredible. All right, next exercise, we're going to bring those elbows into the waist and then take it all the way out. So we're working a little bit of our back here as well. Remember, as we're working those arms, we're going to engage the shoulders and the back and the chest at the same time. So just squeeze in towards you, and we're going to keep on going. So you can either take a rest in the rest section, or you can just keep on going, all right? I know that you guys absolutely love the live workouts that we do because I just go like crazy and we just keep working out together. And obviously you get loads of those as well as a VIP. All right, bring those arms up and bring them in. Okay, come on, we got this, everybody. Now each exercise we're gonna do for 30 seconds and you get a 15-second rest. But again, if you don't wanna have that rest, you wanna keep pushing yourself, you can keep going with me. All right, here we go for 3, 2, 1. All right, next exercise, you're gonna take it into full tricep extension. So tap your thumbs to here, to your shoulders, and then extend all the way back. Now pull that core in nice and tight and hinge over. That's it, so chest is lifted and squeeze. You wanna think about that tricep muscle, okay? So the bingo wings area, lifting you all the way through. And here we go, 30 seconds is on the clock. Now you might be thinking, I don't even know if I can feel anything yet. Trust me, oh my goodness, by the time that we've gone into about 4 minutes, you are gonna really feel this. Oh yes, all right, we are halfway there. So lift all the way up and pull that core in nice and tight. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. Extend nice and long. Here we go, 5 more seconds. Breathe for 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna take it, hold at the back, just hold right here, or you can take a little rest, or you're gonna take little pulses up and down. So that's it. So use the tricep muscle, try and relax those fingertips, and just extend those arms up and down. Pull the core in nice and tight, and here we go. Oh yes, you got this, everybody. Now, what are you feeling today? Are you feeling like, oh, life is a little bit tough, it's a little bit of a struggle? Guess what? If we start to focus on that, it's gonna happen even more. So let's focus right now. Think of something that you are super excited about. You are like fired up about. It could be anything. It could be the fact that you woke up today, right? That's something really exciting. So keep thinking about the things that are gonna make you feel grateful, then are gonna make you keep on going. All right, now you can start to feel it in those arms. Here we go for 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna take it all the way down to the ground. Option number 1, you're gonna stay right here, you're gonna extend your arm, and you're gonna squeeze out here. If you wanna make it a little bit more challenging, you can come up onto your toes, and you're gonna squeeze that elbow in and extend. And here we go. We're just gonna take it onto one side first of all, try and keep those hips facing down, and then squeezing that shoulder blade together. So you can feel all of the body working in your supporting arm as well, and then we're engaging the other muscle. So we're doing a static hold with that left arm, and then our right arm is doing the movement. That's it. Now squeeze that elbow together, extend right out in front. Come on, you got this. 10 more seconds. Now lift up a little bit higher, breathe through it, and here we go for 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna take it all the way down over to the other side. Shake out your hands a little bit. Really quick rest. And we're gonna push down into the ground, and we're gonna take it up over to the other side. So lift up right here, push down, and you're gonna extend that arm up, and you're just gonna squeeze in and out. Now push those hips down to the ground and bring that elbow in. Come on, you've got this. Now that hand on the ground, spread your fingertips nice and wide. Pull the core in nice and tight, and then look down straight ahead and squeeze that elbow in. You've got this. Now stay super strong, engaged, and in control, just like you are in your life, okay? If you can do this move, get your mindset in the right gear, and we're gonna extend out. Last 5 seconds. Here we go. Breathe through it for 3, 2, and 1. Nice work, everybody. All right, shake it out. We're going to take it into some narrow tricep push-ups. So you're going to have your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Lean forward. You're going to bring your legs up. If you want to come up into a floor plank, you can. You're going to squeeze down, and then you're going to extend all the way up. So just hold that core in nice and tight. Take a nice inhale. As you exhale, exhale on the way up. So inhale, and exhale everything out. Nice and controlled. See, we're not even using any weight yet. Oh my goodness, we can definitely feel the burn here. So take it nice and slowly. Down you go, down you go, down you go. Hold and extend all the way up. All right, let's take it down one more time. Breathe through it, inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. Take it one more time, bringing those elbows in towards your waist and extend. Nice work, all right. Feeling those triceps, let's flip over. We're gonna take it into some tricep dips. So grab your hands, put them directly underneath your shoulder. So take a look right here and now push down into your hands. I'm gonna take it into some narrow tricep dips. So come down and extend up. Squeeze those elbows and then push down into the ground. Now don't allow this to happen, okay? Otherwise we're not gonna work out those triceps. Here we go. Come on, let's focus, let's get engaged, let's push all the way through, because remember, if you complete the workout, that's how you're gonna get results. If you just kind of go from, a little bit here, a little bit there, it's not gonna happen for you. You're not gonna get those results. You wanna make this part of your lifestyle. Let's take it all the way down and extend up. Okay, hold right here, or you can take a quick rest. And the next exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a tricep dip hold. So you're gonna come into the same position, but we're gonna come halfway. So hold up here, that's it. Maybe take a quick second rest, just shake out your arms, come back into it, and we're gonna take it down to halfway, and you're just gonna hold. So again, squeeze those elbows in towards your waist, pull the belly button in, shoulders down, and just stay controlled. Stay engaged, stay focused. You're like, yes, the burn is real, it is happening, it's engaged, we can feel it, but we're gonna keep on going. So squeeze down just a little bit more, take a nice big breath in, and as you exhale, give yourself a smile that you are still here. Now come on, hold it here for the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, you're gonna come all the way up to standing, give your arms a little bit of a shake, and we're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna do a little bit of punching in front. So let's get those arms nice and strong, and we're just gonna punch straight forward. How are those triceps feeling? My goodness, I can feel the muscles working already. Here we go. So just take it in front. Little punches, keep your fist up by your chin, and then go straight forward. That's it, look at me, straight in the eye, just as I am looking at you. Yes, I am. Come on, bring those arms up and really punch forward. Fists are gonna be right in front of your chin, okay? Now just take little steps from side to side and then punch forward. If you're just kind of doing this, you're not gonna get it, right? We wanna really punch forward. That's it. Nice, everybody. Here we go. Breathe through it. For 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're gonna take it into undercut this time, right? So use that bicep muscle as you boom underneath and then take it over to the other side. So slight little pivot, shake those arms out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Underneath. And then squeeze. That's it. Come on. Really give it a little bit of welly as if you are just punching something, right? Using that bicep muscle. Here we go. Now, those arms are feeling it already. And my VIPs, yep, you know it. We're going to be adding into weights in the second part of this workout. And that's where the results really start to come in, okay? Because we want to build the lean muscle. Remember, if you want to get toned, if you want to get definition, that means building muscle. All right, building muscle and burning the body fat on top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're gonna take into hooks. So again, we're using that bicep muscle. So hook it round and then hook, all right? So that arm comes up in a nice 90-degree across. All right, shake it out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, if you do want that rest, you can take those couple of extra seconds. I feel like, hey, I'm just gonna keep on going. I'm gonna stay nice and strong, and let's go for it. All right, take it across. Inhale through your nose. And exhale out. Come on, just a little bit more punch. If you're just kind of doing this, right, that is not what's going to get that body engaged. Take it across. That's it, nice and strong. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Really strong. Come on, everybody. 10 seconds left to go of this exercise. Breathe for 3 and 2 and 1. All right, nice work. Okay, we're going to take it into punches this time, going straight down. So you're going to use that whole part of your muscle, your shoulders as well. Pull that core in nice and tight. Have those fists up, and let's start punching down. Remember, need that extra rest, no problem. Just give it your best shot. Punching straight down to the ground. Ah, yes, we're going to rock this, everybody. You're going so great. So remember, if you're just kind of doing this, you're not going to get it. Think about actually punching through something, right? Maybe you've got like a block of wood, right, and you're punching through it. Go straight down into the same position. Punch down, come on, use it. 15 seconds left to go here. And give it absolutely everything that you've got. Come on, keep punching straight down in that same position. Get a little bit lower with that punch. Really using that upper body for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness, well that was a great start, but remember the full workout with the weights is actually gonna be on the app. Oh, I love the app. So much fun, great community. But guys, if you wanna keep on working out right here on YouTube, no problem, there's more workouts right here, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye guys! All the way down and into those heels and squeeze. Okay, we're gonna come down into a plie and we're gonna lift up one heel at a time. Now hold these arms out nice.